Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hamilton, or 16 miles northeast of Island, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Shimone, Egg Harbor City, Presidential Lakes Estates, Chislehurst, Wharton State Forest, Elwood Magnolia, Atcham, Wading River, Bastow, Bass River State Forest, Chatsworth, Penn State Forest, Folsom, and Collins Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, and Camden.